Hey, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. In this my channel, I talk about health and spiritual tips. If this is your first time of seeing my pretty face, I am Ijelemwani Mmiri Udo. And this is what I teach in this my channel. I share about health and spiritual tips. But today, I want to talk about time and season. Time and season. But before I go on, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload video in this my channel, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you very much. Why I want to do this video is about people asking me, what time will I do this? What time will I do this? What time will I do this? Time was invented by men. There is nothing like time in the realm of the spirit. There is nothing like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in the realm of the spirit. Like some will tell you, go to the water on Monday or Friday night to perform this ritual. Go to so place. This ritual must be done on Sunday night. This ritual must be done. No. They should tell you the main reason why, but if they've not had the main reason why they ask you to do something at a particular time, like in the night, is because that is when the atmosphere is calm. And by that time, spirit moves around a lot. It's not that they don't move around in the daytime, but a lot of things is done at night. But something like Monday, do this ritual, or Monday morning, do it at night. No. Human beings were the one that invented time. You can talk to your guardian angel, your ancestors, anytime, any day, anywhere. But just make sure at that time, your hands are pure. Whatever you want to invite them to, your hands are pure. Your heart is clean. Because you don't just call spirit without you having things to tell the spirit. Human beings were the one that invented time to calculate where at the particular time where they are. But during our forefathers' time, they didn't have anything like time. They made use of nature. They made use of the universe to count the moon in the sky. That is what they use to count. Excuse me. They used moon to count the time where they were. Even during the rainy season and the drying season here in Nigeria or Africa, that is what we have, raining and drying season. And outside the country they have winter, summer, or whatever. When they start harvesting their crop in the farm, from their farm, they know the season where they are. And at that time, they pray and worship and thank the God of harvest that made those things produce, Mother Earth, the God and Goddess of harvest. At this rainy season now, you expect different types of illness that comes, like cough and catarrh, because of groundnut and other fresh food that brings such thing to ourselves. And that illness is worse in older and younger persons. That is the season. They know that in this particular season, this is what to do to guide ourselves. This is the type of herbs we should be using to protect and guide ourselves, so that we will not get this type of season, this type of illness. And this is when to honor and pray and thank the Goddess of harvest. in each season. They have the planting season, they have the harvesting season. This was how they lived their life. They tell fairy tales, akụkọ ifo, when there is moonlight in the sky, especially when the moon has round. I will still talk about how to get favor from the moon. What to do at any time you see moon in the sky. So that is how they lived their life. So any ritual you want to do, any prayer you want to do, why is most done at night is because everywhere is quiet. But you talking about that is when it should be that they will get answer. No, you can pray at any time you get answer. It depends how the good relationship you have with your spirit guide, your ancestors, and whatever spirit you may try to or you worship or believe in. You get answer anytime. Nothing like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like time in the realm of the spirit. Time is a physical thing that was invented by men, but moon, all those moons, time, moon and season was invented by Okike. Is a natural thing, and that was how our ancestors lived their life. You can chew to it and get favor. Like I said, if you need any of my product or services like consultation or any kind of spiritual work at all, you do yourself good by contacting me in my WhatsApp number in the screen. Ask me your question anywhere you don't understand. I'll be glad to answer you. See you in my next video. Bye.